Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make alfalfa sprouts step by step. Start by sorting and rinsing seeds, then soak them for 8 to 12 hours in cool water. Drain well and transfer to a jar with a breathable lid. Rinse and drain twice daily, keeping jars tilted for airflow. Expect sprouts in about 5 to 7 days, ready to eat when leaves open and stems are crisp. Soak seeds for 8 to 12 hours, then drain thoroughly to reduce bacterial growth. Rinse seeds gently with cool water twice a day, making sure to drain fully each time. Keep the jar tilted to allow air circulation and excess water to escape. Avoid direct sunlight by storing in a dim, warm spot. Consistent rinsing and good drainage are the two habits that keep sprouts healthy and harvest when most leaves are open and stems snap easily. This usually takes 5 to 7 days. After harvesting, give sprouts one final rinse and dry with a clean towel before refrigerating in a sealed container for up to 1 week. If sprouts develop a slimy texture, off smell, or visible mold, discard them and sanitize your jar before a new batch. These simple checks keep your sprouts safe and tasty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.